Hi everyone, Sean Kumar here. We're going to be showing you a video series of how we take a project from our Ravens Park, starting from the tree phase all the way to a finished project. So let's go on in and take a look how this project started. For starters, at Ravens Park, we had to hire a arborist that helped to assist with the tree plan, which assisted us with this amazing trail that we're going to have in the middle of Ravens Park. The arborist came through and he let us know what trees have to stay, what trees have to go. The trees that have to stay get blocked off with a fence, and then the services start to come in once the trees are taken down. Once the developer acquires the land, we have a few steps to check off. We have the surveying that needs to be completed for the property. We need the development permit. We need the tree report completed, which allows us to keep this natural trail at Ravens Park. And then after that, we finally get the building permit, which allows us to get the services. Let's go take a look at that. So once the services are entered into the site, we're going to get prepped for the foundation. So you can see here, units 50 to 54 is being prepped. This side here, 46 to 49, is already prepped with pins already in from the engineer to show where the layout of the foundation is going to be. And then we can take a look at these units here where the foundation is already poured. Once the foundation is poured, we start the framing portion. You can see the framing has already been completed here. It starts off with the moisture barrier down below, then it's bolted down and strapped down to the foundation. This unit's already been framed up. Next, we're going to have tradesmen come in and do the rough-ins. We're going to have the plumber come in and rough in the plumbing along with the inflow radiant heating. We're going to have the electrician come in and put in the plugs where they're going to be. And then we're going to show what the inflow radiant heating looks like once it's been completed as well. Now we're standing in unit number 30, or the last unit in phase 1, where you can see the concrete finish on top of the inflow radiant heating, along with the rough-in for plumbing and electrical all done. Now we also see the next steps, which is a drywall, which is drying off, that went up top of the framing. Here at Ravens Park, Urban Coast, the developer, has thought ahead. He's put a 2x6 post and a 2x4 post to have enough insulation in between the units to make it soundproof between the two units. And now we have the next step, which is putting in the finishings, where we have the flooring in, the countertops, the cabinets, the backsplash. This all makes it look like more of a home. Now we're going to see what the finished product looks like. We're standing in one of the finished homes here. We have two show homes here for you to take a look at. We're standing in Plan B. We also have a Plan A. You can take a look for yourself at 9688 182 A Street. Give me a call, 778-245-1700, and we're welcome to show you the show home anytime you want.